Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to upload IGTV videos on Instagram. Uploading IGTV videos on Instagram is simple. You can share longer videos and more people can see them. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. This is where you can add new content like posts, stories, reels, or IGTV videos. Now, select Reel from the options. Even though it says Reel, you can upload longer videos here if they meet IGTV requirements. After that, choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. Make sure your video is saved on your device and is in the correct format. Once you select your video, tap on Next. Here, you can preview your video to make sure everything looks good before uploading. Now you can write a caption for your video. Captions help explain your video and can include hashtags so more people can find it. You can also tag friends or other accounts and add a location if it's relevant. After adding all the details, tap OK at the top right corner to save your settings. Finally, tap on Share to upload your video. Instagram will process your video, and soon it will be live for your followers to watch. Now, your IGTV video is successfully uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.